This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
And I'm going to know what to expect if you've suffered an injury compensation claim. The first thing clients always ask is how much. Well, the good news is if for some reason you lost your case or it was discontinued, you don't have to pay anything. Also, some lawyers will pay the court fees and experts fees on your behalf so that you don't have to pay anything up front. If you win, in most cases now, a proportion of your compensation, but only up to a maximum of 25%, may be payable for costs. The lawyer will go through everything with you to discuss the options and terms and make sure you're happy before you sign anything.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
If you already have legal expenses via your household or car policy, for example, you don't necessarily use the lawyer that they will appoint. Will match their legal cover on the policy so that usually in serious injury cases, the lawyer does face-to-face so that they can understand the effects of the injury on you and your family. It is also important that the lawyer specialises in the injury that you have and also the type of case that you have. So for example, if it was a clinical negligence matter. So do make sure that you get details of the experience of the lawyer handling your case. The next steps are to take the initial details of the case and sort out the funding. After that, a good lawyer will go to see the family to assess what their are. So whether that's getting finance into the home or sorting out medical treatment and rehabilitation, concentrate on that first. It's not necessary to wait for the police or any other investigation or even to have an admission of liability to achieve that. However, it's not possible in every situation, but it certainly should be at the forefront of the lawyer's mind throughout the case. The next steps are then to send a full insurance company setting out details of the claim, and they have, after then, the matter is not agreed. This will gather the evidence, experts' reports, documentary and witness statements. The defendant is to obtain their own expert, which does mean that in serious cases, injured parties may be assessed a number of times. The solicitor will then put together a schedule of all the losses and the parties will attempt to negotiate the claim. In rare cases, the matter will go and the court will determine what the outcome should be through each step and keep you informed. Another question clients ask is, how much will I get? It depends on how well the injured party does and the long-term effects and disabilities they have. The award will be made up of two parts. Firstly, they will receive compensation for what pain and suffering. This is based on a guideline book and also other cases that are before the court. The compensation is made up of their actual losses. So for example, lost earnings, care on how well someone recovers. It's very difficult to say for the case how much, but lawyers will explain it as more evidence is received throughout the case. How long the case takes largely depends on how long it takes the injured party to recover, but also whether the parties can agree various issues. A proactive lawyer could complete a straightforward case between 6 months and a year. In serious cases it can take 1 to 2 years, and in very serious injuries, a catastrophic injury can take 2 to 3 years. What is most important is you seek advice from a specialist who can understand your needs and take you through the process.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.